Hello guys, welcome back to my channel once again, and in this video I'm going to share with you the ultimate guide for learning English 2026. So if you really want to speak fluent English in this 2026, watch this video till the end, because after watching this video you don't need any video to watch, because in this video I'm going to share with you the roadmap, and not only the roadmap, I'm going to share with you my magical paper which really helped me a lot to speak better English. So if you really want, just watch this video till the end. And one more thing that first of all, I'm going to talk about the roadmap and all. And one more thing I just want to announce from this video, that if you really want me to make particular course about the English for beginner, so like this video and subscribe and comment in this video if you really want. Then if I would get the proper response from you guys, I would particularly make one course about it. And by the way, one more thing, that this video is going to be from very different from others, because I'm not going to share with you some of the, only grammatical things and all. I'm going to share with you some of the practical things which is really going to help you a lot. You don't need to learn grammar a lot to speak English, as I have mentioned in my lots of video. Okay, and to be honest, I can speak better English just because of I have practice. I have never completed any grammatical book. So the thing is that it's all about, that how do you practice and how do you start. Mostly people just they get failed just because of, they start wrong. So if you're also starting the wrong, if you also started the things wrongly, so it would be going to be fail. So watch this video and understand that how to start the things. Okay, let's start this video. So first of all, we have to understand that why people they fail to learn English every year. The problem is all about the starting, that when we start something wrong, so it's goes very, it goes very complicated. And if you are in that complex, so you cannot learn. So first of all, you have to understand that starting with the complicated grammar and all, it would be not healthy. You have to start very simple way, that you have to start speaking from the first day. I have been keep saying the same thing on my video every time. If you're following it, if you know me, so you know very well that start from speaking one day. If you are going to start with a complex grammar, if you start learning the part of speech, everything, tenses, everything, you would face many problems. And there are many people, they try to be first of all perfect on the grammar, and then they start speaking. So it will be very hard for you. I would say you to learn grammar. It's totally fine to learn grammar, but if you're learning grammar, if you're not speaking anything, so that's really, you're wasting your time. Okay, you're wasting your time. So my opinion and my suggestion to you guys, first of all, start speaking. Okay, whatever might be, you're going to say, wrong words, and you're going to make wrong sentences, really fine. But first of all, the thing is that we have to build confidence. Without building confidence, you cannot speak. So this is what you have to understand. Like if you want to drive car, you have to sit in a car. You cannot learn driving just by reading books and all. I think you understood what actually exactly I want to say. So just do one thing. I have already one group, WhatsApp group. It has been 1.5 year I have been operating this group. If you don't have involvement, if you don't have someone to speak, so just go there. This is in description. Open my description. You would get that WhatsApp group link, and you can join. Some of space are left only. There are already 950 people are there. They are every day communicate with each other. If you don't have partner, this is absolutely the perfect thing for you. And one more thing guys, that if you really want to take my session one-to-one guidance for fluency, you can message me on this number. Let's come to the roadmap, that what are the roadmap you have to follow. Okay, so the thing is simple, that we don't have to make the things complicated. We have to follow the 30-20-10 rules. Okay, you have to give every day 1 hour. Okay, this is what matter. And this game is not for the rabbit guys. We have to be turtle. Might be you're aware about the turtle and rabbit story. Like you have to be consistent. This is what I mean to say. If you're going to be consistent, it's really going to be work. If you are going to be fast, you cannot learn. There are many people message me that I want to learn English in 30 days. In my last video as well, I mentioned that you can improve your confidence, but not the fluency. You have to start. You have to give some time to yourself. If I would ask to you that how many time you give on something, okay, like which you are already good at something. Like there are many people, they are good at the math, they are good at playing games, so they have given maybe more than 3 to 4 years or more than that if I talk about academic study. Okay, and they are good at this just because of they know they have done this thing a lot. So experience matter. Once you start doing practicing over and over something, so you improve. So the roadmap is simple, that you have to follow the 30-20-10 rules. What is 30-20-10 rules? I'm going to make you understand again. You have to take input. You have to start listening. Whatever you can listen, story, whatever, it should be the English video. Listen it every day. Okay, and 20 minutes for the speaking, and I have already given you a environment where you can speak English there and you can improve your English. And 10 minutes for the reading. That's what we have to follow. And whatever the grammar and all you are doing, this is fine. I mean, you can learn grammar. Okay, but the thing is that you have to follow this method. If you're not going to following it, you're not going to get the result properly. Okay, so you have to follow 30 20 10 rules. And if you have more time, you can increase your timing. Okay, like you can give more time for listening, speaking, reading. If you don't have time, 30 20 10 rule is really enough. That's what I was following, and it's really gave me such a very result. And this is what I am suggesting to you. If you have a time, just go ahead, spend more time. If you can spend more time, you would get absolutely the good result. So I think you understood the roadmap as well and what not to do. I think you have all understand that what not to do and what to do on roadmap is simple: speak, listen, and read. This is what you have to understand. Now let's talk about this magical paper. This magical paper really changed my English, and this is really going to change your English as well. Let me share quick story to you guys. One quick story so you can relate this thing properly and you can understand better. The thing is that 2 years back I used to go gym, and I was trying to gain my muscle. I was trying to, gain some of the weight because I was so underweight. So I used to go and I was properly follow the diet and all. And that time actually I was not getting the proper result which I was expecting from my like the works and all. So then I said to my trainer that sir, actually I'm not getting the proper result, but I'm doing everything. Actually I'm eating properly, I'm completing my enough protein. Okay, everything I was doing. Then he said to me one thing, that my trainer, that I think might be you're thinking that you're doing everything, but this is not enough. You're not doing it properly. That's what he said. Then I understood, yeah, this could be also the reason. So he suggested me to track down my nutrition. Okay, he started, like saying to me that you have to start jot down everything and you have to start measure your weight. I mean, you have to start measure your micro and everything. That's what he started saying me. So he started saying me through track down. And from that day, I understood that if you're doing something, so tracking down is very important. You have to start tracking everything. So the same way, we have to also start tracking our English practice as well. Lots of people, they say to me that Aman, I practice, but I do not get the result. But I say to them that you do not practice. This is what I have been also following my trainer suggestion actually. Then I really use this actually magical paper which I'm saying to track down my English. Okay, right now you understand that how to use this magical paper. And actually you have to understand, you have to, first of all, you need to know that what you're taking in your mind. Then you can track the things. Then you can understand and you can be satisfied that, yeah, I'm practicing enough. Then you will get the proper result. So tracking is very important. So let me share with you that how to use this tracking paper. You can download this tracking magical paper in my description box. So you can see this is the paper, and this is our habit. You can see habit or task, whatever we can say. You have to jot down everything here. I mean, you can see this paper is okay. I have written here one thing, that is reading, and if I'm going to read every day, then I'm going to tick in this column every day. Here we can see 1 to 31 boxes we have. You have to, tick down everything every day, whatever you are doing. So you have to jot down here whatever your practice is: reading, speaking, listening. You have to jot down everything here, whatever it is. You have to jot down everything and you have to practice. And whatever you're practicing, you have to tick down every day, whatever you're practicing. Like example, I'm saying to you: reading, listening, learning vocabulary, learning grammar. This is what you have to understand. And once you start doing it, 1 to 31 day, I'm giving you result. I'm going to give you the guarantee that if you would follow it, it would absolutely give you the result. Then you would say me thank you after this video. So this is only the magical paper. This is not so much complicated. You have to just follow it. After following it, just comment in the video and say to me that how's your result. And to be honest, once I started tracking down, it's helped me a lot to speak better English. This is all. So this is the magical paper game, and if you would start, it would be really work. So if you want to download this, go ahead in my description and download it. Again, I'm going to give you the small summary of it. That practice. Do not start with the complicated grammar and all. Start, follow the listening, speaking, and reading rule 30 20 10. If you have more time, just go ahead, listen all this thing, and download this tracker paper. Start tracking all this thing every day, and this is all. And you need to have a partner. Need to have a partner as well. So just go ahead, make I mean on my WhatsApp group. And if you want to take my classes, I have already shared my number. You can message me. Thank you so much, guys. We will meet in the next video.